Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to change labels in Tableau. So first of all, let us generate one chart here. So we'll go in subcategory and drop it into the columns, and I'll pick up the sales from here and drop it into the rows. Now click on subcategory, activate the aliases from here. Now I want to change the binders which are here into industrial binder. Click here and write down industrial binders. Just I'm giving an example here, industrial binders. Click OK and immediately it will be reflected here. Let me change this and make it entire view. So you can see it's a industrial binders. So this is a way you can change your names in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.